2012 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, 100,000 mile, 3-owner, with a minor Carfax accident in dark blue, kind of a midnight blue. Actually a local vehicle. We did a lot of the service work on this vehicle. We know it very well. The lady who traded it in takes very good care of her vehicles, and we decided to go ahead and put it on the lot and make somebody a very nice, reliable, economical 7-passenger minivan for your family. So as we look around here, we'll just give you some of the highlights. You do have the halogen headlamps, got the classic chrome crosshair Dodge grille. We got the 5-spoke alloy wheel here. And one thing you'll notice, we put brand new Mastercraft tires all the way around. You'll also notice a brand new brake rotor and brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of our cars. As we look in through the passenger side front seat area, you can see it has the dark cloth charcoal seat covering, full console in between. It's got the light tan with the dark gray two-tone insert with the charcoal carpeting, a little bit of synthetic wood grain there throughout the door panel. So really has a nice look to the interior. I just wanted to see, let's show you this history report I was speaking of. But you can see here that the tires are all 10 light new tires, all new brakes and rotors. Like I said, we completely go over the wearables. Definitely don't just wash them off and stick them on the lot. We really do try to completely go over these vehicles so that you know you're getting a safe, reliable vehicle, regardless of the price and miles. Now, what's nice, another thing, we always guarantee 2 sets of keys. You can see them both here. This does have the power doors and locks, as well as the power hatch. And the power sliding doors. So I'm just gonna open up both those sliding doors. You can see it makes it really convenient. The other nice thing is it does have the stow and go seats, which when the seats are in the upright position, you get a nice wheel opening well here where you can keep a lot of items hidden, toys or whatnot, when they're in the upright position. And obviously you can see all the room you have there for your occupants. Also, let's go ahead and pop the power hatch. And as this comes up, I'll kind of give you an idea how to use the stow and go seats. It's really simple, but you can also see the nice big storage area. Now, across the bottom here, these are grocery bag hooks or plastic grocery bags, help keep them from shifting around. It has numbered cues here, so like 1 flips the headrest down, 2 releases the front hatch. When you do, what's nice about that is it has a tailgate mode, I call it. You can flip it this way. If you're watching sports, you got the canopy to protect you from the elements. You can sit on the seat the backwards way, which is a cool feature as well. So that is if you just want to do the tailgate feature. Otherwise, you pull this strap right here, it'll flip down the top headrest. Make sure that latches, and then when you pull the 3rd strap, it'll flip the seat over and stow it away. So nice feature there. You also do have a button here for the power liftgate as well. Put that back down. So we work our way around to the driver's side. You can see it's a very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. The previous owner was a non-smoker. You do have buttons here to shut the doors as well. Then you'll see on the driver's side, you do have full power seat, including lumbar on the driver's side. You also got your power vents, power locks, windows and mirrors located right on the door. So we jump in, start it up, show you 100,481 original miles. Let's start this up here real quick. And also do want to go over another thing that we offer is, like I said, we do keep a copy of the Carfax or the auto history report right on the dash. And as I said in the opening, it does have an accident damage reported on the Carfax, which I'll go over here with you real quick. But like I say, it was local and well serviced. So we do have a lot of those records. So when we flip back to the accident, it occurred in 3/17 of 17, and it actually went into a ditch. You can see there's undercarriage impact to the left front. So it had to be towed. The vehicle did go into a small ditch, but it's completely sound underneath. There's no frame issues. Everything's good. Everything's been repaired to like new. But this is something we always go over with folks. We want everybody to be fully transparent and upfront, and you will see a copy of those Carfaxes right in the vehicle. So as we continue the tour, we do have your headlamp controls and your dimmer switch to the left. The stem to the left is your intermittent wiper washers, high beams, and turn signals. We do have the ability to go through your customizable dash here. And you have your cruise control, on the right. This is your column shift here for your automatic transmission. We do have AM, FM satellite radio here. Climate control, 3-zone climate control with rear heat and AC here. You have your economy button, your full wave flashers, and your traction control. Two 12-volt power supplies, 2 cup holders, nice little change tray there as well. More buttons here for your doors. Another option is you can lock it out. You can lock out the interior buttons, keep the kids from playing with the buttons. We do have LED lights, and I believe we do have illuminate. Well, we have visors. We have mirrored visors. So let's go ahead and foot pedal there, as you can see, for the brake. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Show you the engine. Got a 3.6 liter variable valve timed engine. You can see it's very clean, quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Very well maintained, as I said, by the previous owner mechanic. As we shut off the car, we'll get into the last portion of the video. Just to recap, I did show you the mechanical report, all the new brakes, tires, and rotors. I showed you the auto history report. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic. Just gonna go through here, show you any minor little imperfections, couple little stone chips there, couple here. Primarily, that's what we're gonna find. Saw one little dent on the rear that I'll show you there on the rear lift gate. But when we were walking around the car the first time, just these little tiny scratches and chips was really all I took notice of. Marks up there. Top of the spoiler looks good. That dent right here on the lift gate there, might have been backed into when the lift gate was up, hit something there. Other than that, just some minor little scratches and scrapes. Working our way up the passenger side now. Scratch right there. And then we just got a spattering of stone chips here on the hood. Just quickly kind of pan over, you can see them. We have touched them up with factory paint, but hood accumulated a fair amount of stone chips there that kind of going over, as you can see as I pan across. And then the same here on the bumper fascia has a few. But all in all, guys, like I said, 7-passenger, reliable, locally owned, completely reconditioned, efficient minivan that will fit any budget. If you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. You can come visit us at 2151 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up on the web at www.allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.